Hey Crock Posse, Aunt Lou here, and today we are going to be making crock pot cinnamon roll cherry cobbler. Oh, while having a whole lot of fun. Hey Crock Posse, welcome back to my kitchen, and today we are going to be making crock pot cinnamon roll cherry cobbler. Mouthful to say, easy to make. You got two ingredients. You've got cherry pie filling and cinnamon rolls. That's it. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray our insert. You can make this in a casserole crock pot or a 6-quart, whichever you have, because I know not everybody has one or the other. And then all you're going to do is take your cinnamon rolls and cut them. I can hear the icing. And cut them into fourths or quarters, however you want to say it. And we're going to lay those out in the bottom, top it with the cherry pie filling, cover, cook. Ta-da! So this is a great recipe to make whenever, like if you're going to have people over. And it takes about 2 to 3 hours on low to cook up. So you can either have it for brunch or dessert, or have it for breakfast and like just warm up leftovers and stuff like that. So we're just going to take our cinnamon rolls out of the package if it doesn't attack me. Alright. And we're going to save our icing for later. Now the cinnamon rolls that I have are actually like rolled up, and I know some come in like it's just kind of almost like a biscuit, and so it doesn't matter what kind you use. If you have the ones that are rolled up, you're going to have more little pieces, and so it'll probably cook up a little bit faster. But either way, you're just going to take them and cut them into fourths. And so what I usually do is I'll take the pack and I'll just kind of divide it into 2 stacks, and then I just take a sharp knife, go down through the center, hold it together, turn, and down through the center for my fourths. And then just take those pieces and spread them out in the bottom. Easy peasy. And you're going to want these just kind of in one layer. You don't want it bulked up, which you don't have. There's not going to be so much that it's going to, you're going to have a problem getting them in one layer, so it's easy. But this is great for, you know, holidays or family get-togethers, or just you want to have something yummy at home for yourself and anyone who may live with you. So that works out. I did not think this through. Now I have cinnamon roll hands, and I gotta try to open this one, so we'll see how that goes. There we go. I got it. I got it. So we're just going to repeat with the second tube of cinnamon rolls what we did with the first. Maybe, if I can get it out. There we go. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. So see, I have the rolly kind, and they wanted to roll away. So we're just going to cut it in half. Turn, cut it in half, and sprinkle. Okay, so I've got that all spread out. Now I'm just going to take my cherry pie filling, and now I'm going to go get a can opener because the little pull tab just popped off. So apparently I'm stronger than I thought. Okay, so that should go easier for you than it's going for me, just because, you know, 9 times out of 10, you're not going to have the little pull tab on your can pull off in your hand without pulling the lid with it. So, get that lid off, and I like to make sure that I get all the yumminess out of the can. So, taking off the lid, and then we're just going to kind of gently spoon this out all around on top. that's it. So now we're going to cover and cook on low for, I think it's either 2 to 3 hours or 2.5 to 3 hours. I'll be checking mine at an hour. I know that my beloved casserole crock pot does not cook evenly, so at an hour I'll be switching it, and I'll probably come back and check it at 2 hours, and then just keep an eye on it until it's done. And when we get back, we will put the icing from our cinnamon roll packets on top, and it'll be ready to go. We'll be back in 3, 2, and we're back. And so it's been about 2.5 hours. This one cooks pretty warm, so it's set up nicely. So it's all done. Like, I can jiggle it, and the center is all set up, and the edges are kind of browning up a little bit, so it's perfect. And so now I'm just going to take my icing packets, open them up, and then drizzle that on top. And that's all you gotta do. Okay, so that's for my first packet, or first package of rolls, and then this one's for my second one. So we have plenty of icing. It's fantabulous. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like all together, because it's pretty. So that, oh, that was almost bad. Okay, so there you have, oh, the icing is running. It's running to the bottom. See, can you see like that without me tilting it too much? You got your cherries, and you got your cinnamon roll pieces and the icing, and it just is awesome. Okay, this is really, really hot, so I'm probably gonna burn my mouth. Not looking forward to that part, but I am looking forward to giving this a try. If I can get it off the spoon. There we go. Okay, so kind of dumped it in here upside down, so let's give this a try and see if I can flip it all around. So you got your icing, cherries, cinnamon roll pieces, just yummy goodness. Oh my goodness, I know this is hot, hot, hot. Sorry it's taking so long, but I don't want like molten lava cherry on my tongue. Sorry. I love how the tartness of the cherry pie filling mixes with the sweetness of the cinnamon rolls and the icing, and then the cinnamon flavoring in there together with the pastry. It's just awesome. Okay, I keep sliding because I'm wearing my slippers, and so hang on. Okay, now let's see if I can stand without sliding around. Okay, so anyway, it all mixes together to make this amazing either breakfast food, brunch food, or dessert. You can use it for whatever you like. It's amazing. We love it. I hope you love it too. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below. If you're not already a member of our Crock Posse family, hit the subscribe button down below. And if you would like to know every single time we post a video, hit the bell called the ding-a-ling. And no matter what you do, laugh often, eat good food, and speak life. Bye! Nummy nummy.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the